Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I have worked thousands of IRS cases. I wrote a book. It's a bestseller on Amazon. I just want to let you know, I see a trending topic, Optima Tax Reviews, Optima Tax Relief Tax Reviews. In the industry, I'm very embedded in this. I'm a national expert in resolution. I've been on TV many times. I see a lot of firms. Matter of fact, you know the good ones, you know the bad ones. And one of the things that always bothered me is Optima Tax Relief. I'm just trying to be honest. I'm not here to bash this or bash that or say this or say that. I'm not going to do that because you can find out what you want to do about Optima Tax Relief. I'm sure there's some good people in there. Most of the complaints that I get in the industry are from Optima Tax Relief. One of the reasons is they're big. And personally, this is my own personal opinion, I don't think that they ever are going to be able to go ahead and take care of the cases they get. They spend a lot of money on advertising, a lot of money in marketing, and you need to know when you call them, you're speaking to salespeople. They've got a big team of salespeople, and most of them are very good. They have scripts, they know what to do, they have schooling, they have training. When you call them, they know how to operate and pull the strings. So you've got to be very careful. And I want to tell you, if you're looking for Optima Tax Reviews, you're going to find a lot of negative stuff. You can take a lot of these stuff off. In my case, I have nothing. I only have one negative review because one of my partners didn't call the people on time. But I just want to tell you, be careful with any tax relief company. There's a lot of companies out there, the big companies, that have many, many bad reviews. They have probably a person just working to take all the bad reviews off. Anytime you're not able to speak to directly to the person working your case almost on your initial call and while the case is working, you're going to be in for a bad time, a hard time. So I caution you to FaceTime the person who's going to work your case. If you can't do that, run fast, because at the end of the day, your case is going to be caught up in a system. You don't want that. You want to be able to speak directly to the person. So if you're looking for Optima Tax Relief reviews, the reason it's so popular is people want to know what's going on with them. Like I said, my guess is they're doing their best to remove a lot of the reviews. So be very careful with other companies. Yeah, it's best to FaceTime. I'm just telling you. So you take what you want out of this. Would I ever use Optima Tax Relief? I will just tell you, I get more negative information about them than any other company. So just be careful. I'm always available if you need me. So use caution and care if you need tax relief. By the way, if you Zoom or FaceTime, usually you'll never go wrong. Thank you for listening. I appreciate your time. Blessings.